Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add YouTube ad to your Microsoft Teams, and you can have a combined viewing of YouTube content during your meeting. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, Microsoft Teams is now widely used across the world, and for collaboration this is like a highly used product. Now many times happen in our organizations that we are in part of meeting, and during the meeting you want to show something, right? A video, for example, to all the participants. So like many times you don't feel comfortable sharing it like in the chat, like the actual file, because that needs to be uploaded, people need to download and all such things, right? You don't want that, especially if that video is available publicly, or like it's unlisted and available on the URL. Then for those situations this app is highly useful. So how you are going to do this? So in front of you I have opened this Microsoft Teams app. So I'll go to more, I'll click on add app. I will search for YouTube and I'm gonna add it. Okay, you can check all these details and add. So now it is added, and if I search, wow, it has come. Okay, so you can search for channel video, and that can be part of a meeting, and that can be viewed by everyone. Let me see if I can show it to you. So I joined a meeting. Okay, now in this meeting I go for three dots. Of course, if you use a laptop, I mean you have like a laptop Teams app, you'll have something bit different experience, but this is from the mobile app perspective. So I click on apps, I can add YouTube. Okay, search and pin videos to chat and channels, send videos in chat using message, and watch videos together in meeting. Okay, perfect. Now you can paste a link and then that can be watched together. So let me search. Okay, so see, you have the option watch together. So if you click on anything watch together, then it is connecting to the live session, and now it can be played. You can unmute and you can make it everyone watch this. So that's how it works, guys, and I hope you're gonna like this video. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.